sweet breakfast recipe made in Jamaica. I'm going to share it with you. Who know about old time days chocolate tea, fried fish, steamed in coconut juice, roast breadfruit, fry over. Guys, stay tuned. Now this is all of the ingredients I'm going to use inside to cook down the fish. So I have some bell peppers, scallion, onion, garlic, and some fresh thyme and tomato. I'm going to use a small amount of black pepper, some powder garlic, cayenne pepper, paprika, all-purpose season, and some fish season inside of it. I'm going to use a small amount of, not enough salt, a small amount of salt, and I'm going to cook it down in some coconut juice. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to season my fish. And remember to clean up your fish and wash it with vinegar or lime to take away the rawness from it. And guys, I'm putting in the description whatever I use. So guys, I finished showing you how to look both the fish and the breadfruit. So it's time to show you now how I'm going to make my chocolate tea. So guys, you have to grate a hit. And guys, if you don't want to grate it, you can just drop it inside of the water and it stay there and melt. So guys, look on it. Guys, I love to taste my natural chocolate. I don't like to put anything else inside of it. I want just my chocolate alone, boil, and then I take milk and sweeten it. So guys, if you want to put in other spice in it, you can put it inside of it, like your vanilla or with your nutmeg, whatever you want to add to it. But I love to taste my natural chocolate tea. So guys, it finished to be cooked. All you want your chocolate to boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. No longer guys, and then you can go ahead and strain it off and sweeten it.